picture, the same as when we left. Clean cut underneath. Light muslin and canvas, till someone's coming back. Crunch under my feet. You never really said it all till you said it all. Testing, testing now. Where do we go from here? You never really said it all till we say it all. Got time if not, but I need to know. Where do we go from here? White lies till I'm over it. It's getting on my nerves. Guilt-free cover up. Lights out, nothing under me. No one's getting hurt. It's good after all. You never really said it all till you said it all. Testing, testing now. Where do we go from here? Never really said it all till we said it all. Got time if not, but
Morning guys, morning. I hope you're still doing okay. The other day I went to a Dischem. I went to buy some. I've seen some other people posting about these ginger shots and whatnot and whatnot. So I want to try them out for weight loss kind of. And my plan is to mix it with some cutting off of sugar. I have a very sweet tooth, so I'm trying to see if I can be able to cut off on sugar, even if it's just a little bit, and then I zoom into it as I go along. But I also want to mix it with these ginger shots. So I went to Dischem the other day to buy the stuff that I'm going to need for those ginger shots or those concoctions. My biggest problem here guys is consistency. There's a lot of times that I've tried one or two of these weight loss thingies, but I end up falling off the horse along the way. So I'm coming to you guys with this so that you can be my accountability partners. Yes, I haven't started yet, and I would like you to give me at least 3 months before we can start to see any changes. I'm hoping by the end of winter or so there will be changes for sure. So this is the stuff that guys I bought for my ginger concoction. Oh, I also went to Woolies to get these. These are cinnamon sticks, and these are just the spices for the house. They've got nothing to do with my concoction. This is the stuff I got there. This is for my daughter's medication. I just got this for cleaning. Yeah, I got cayenne pepper, okay, guys. I also got black peppercorns. This is the soy sauce for the house also. And the hair relaxer for my hair. The ginger tea. I have hibiscus tea. Some turmeric powder, some ground cinnamon, oh, and I also got these roll-ons, Sanex roll-ons from Dischem. I got 2 for 50 rand, so I decided to buy for 100 rand. So these are the things that I'm going to use there, guys, but I'm gonna mix them with lemon. The lemon, I've got it in the fridge already, and yeah, then I'll start making our ginger shots. Maybe the first batch that I'll be preparing, I'll prepare it with you guys, but not right now. I'll see when I get a chance later. I'm gonna do it with you guys. I'm planning to start as soon as today if possible. So yeah guys, see you when we're doing our concoction.
Chose to stay, big mistake. Play the game, should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not possible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave.
up in the middle of the night. Na-na-na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na-na-na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all. It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na-na-na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me. But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na-na-na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. Oh, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
If you're thinking about leaving, let me know. If you're thinking that you don't wanna hurt me, coward, I'm getting bored. 'Cause I can find another, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Oh, this is what we gonna do. You never come
Akafiki. Umakoti ufika late vele.
Kudala nifikele.
Thina udala. Laba khithi isikhathi ababona i-email yami yasede ukuthi ngithe. Akayifuni le nto le. Akubona ukuthi
ayizange ndiyibona.
Hey! Madoda athoma ake ngasiza abantu wewe ngathi bayathi ngisathi phela ngithola ibheke ngikhipha ngisathi ngilike kahle buya ngimusa mukhathe oh hathi madoda ten
how do they connect to this looks nice.
Hambani ngiyongena phakathi can't wait wazi ngizofika. Naku Miss Party guys, naku Miss Party.
I'm just waiting. No, it's fine. I'm just waiting for pictures here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's cool. I'm coming. Okay. On behalf of the family, we'd like to thank you for giving her love and appreciation for all the years that she's spent with us. So, Nancy, my family, and sending our deepest love. And then to make it for Yena. Congratulations. And this one token from us to say you've done all that you could in the years. when I send an email, man, I forgot to send the unique number, the employee unique number. And it's just like, I'm not here for you. And every time when you send stuff, there's no employee number. You think I'm a sangoma? That's when I said, no, Teddy, I'm so sorry. I'm new at this. I don't know you. Please don't threaten me because I'm also going to threaten you. I will report you. And then she was laughing at me. Then that's when I saw that, oh, this one. She's laughing. She's not serious. And then I was like, okay, so have you
I took a file though. I'll find you. There I am. Jump again. But I must say, not me. There were days in this job, 20 years here, when I cried my most painful years. Just like you were saying.
Oh wow.
She was the shoulder and driver. She was the first one in the office. Look.
Yes, beautiful sisters. Hi guys, remember I promised to do a review with you of that yellow app where I ordered some gadgets from China. So this is my review, guys. I ordered about 3 items. The first one was this Android phone. This is an Android phone in an Apple i15 or 16 body or something like that. So I bought this phone for the bear for besties, ne? I was not actually looking for any Apple product or anything. I just saw this phone. I said, okay, it looks nice. Let me just order it for bestie. I also looked at the reviews. Most of the reviews about it were not very good. I just said that since I'm not looking to do anything serious with it, let me just buy it. So I bought it. So it came via courier. Though I ordered all 3 items at the same time, the phone arrived first via courier. So I just paid shipping when I was buying. I never paid anything extra. They just delivered it at home. So it's just a normal Android phone, guys. There's nothing fancy about it. And now the other product, it came with this cover and the screen protector as well. The only problem now, it came with the charging port that is not compatible to our South African electric socket. That's the only downside to it, but we can charge it with our normal C-type chargers, though it doesn't work. Though that charging doesn't work on all the C-type chargers, so I have to chop and change the cables to see which one works best. So that's the review I have with this one. I wouldn't recommend it for anyone who needs to do it for serious stuff. Just using it for YouTube and to play games and for nothing major. So for that it is good, but otherwise I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, so next it was this watch. You won't believe that I bought this watch for less than 2,000 rands, and I will show you the price whereby you get it for at Samsung here in South Africa. I'll show you right here on top. So I got it at a bargain, guys, because it was less than 2,000 rand, this watch. Then I think I paid 220 something for shipping. Then when I went to fetch it at the post office, I paid about more, just a little less than 100 rand. So in total, it didn't even come up to 2,000 for this watch. And it's an original Samsung phone. The packaging is the original Samsung packaging. Even when you start it shows that it's a Samsung Watch Ultra. That was the biggest bargain ever, guys, because you get it here in South Africa at Samsung for 12,999, and recently it was on sale for 9,999. Imagine that difference. So okay, guys, this is a plug. If you want me to order for you, just hook up with me, guys. You can even send me a note or an inbox on Instagram, or just let me know on the comments so that I can give you my contact details or my link to Instagram. That's one. Then the third item was those AirPods, guys, but currently they are not here with me. I sold them to my daughter, since I'm using a Samsung phone. I'm not using the iPhone, though on the specification they said that they work for both iOS and Android, but I haven't tried them on my phone. I'm not sure if they are working. The minute the daughter saw them, she just asked me to sell them to her, so I sold those to her, guys. Even those, they were, I think they are AirPods Pro 2 or something like that. I bought them for less than 8,000 rands, guys. I can't remember how much the shipping is, but at the post office for customs I paid less than 50 rands. So it was also another big bargain, because when I checked at the April 8 store here, they were on sale for 4.5, and I bought them for way lesser than that. So guys, if you want me to hook you up, please send a comment down there so that I can see where I can assist. Okay, the only downside, guys, to this app, their products, they take forever to come. I think all in all, the watch and the AirPods, they took almost 6 weeks. I think it was just less than 6 weeks to come. It takes a long time, but now at least they were updating on the suppliers. Each supplier, you can communicate with each supplier during the process. You can also trace where your items are, and also communicate if you need some more info about something. For instance, with the watch, I asked him if it's compatible, if it will be compatible with my Samsung Ultra S25 Ultra. Then he said even send me a video to show that this is a real Samsung phone. It's compatible with it will be compatible with my phone. So even the AirPods, they are the real deal. They are the original Apple products, guys. I see I'm a phone just because they are from China. So I just wanted to give you that review. The downside is it takes a long time for the products to get to South Africa, and when you're on the website, some of the products they're cheap, like your Samsung S25 Ultras. They are cheaper than you get them for here in South Africa, but now some products they can't be shipped to South Africa. So I'm still looking into that, trying to check if I can contact the supplier that directly and inquire if there's any other option, because but they'll specify down there that this particular product can be shipped to South Africa. This one it can be shipped to South Africa. You need to contact the supplier or choose an alternative country, which is obviously not possible now for me to choose another country when I'm in South Africa. So those are the side to it, guys. Otherwise, it's a very, very, very good place to buy and their products. The ones that I've bought, guys, I'm giving them 100%. They are up to scratch here, guys. So yes, I've been using them for a week or so, but from what I've seen so far, I'm happy. I don't see anything wrong with them. So yeah, guys.
Thursday, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high.